Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to sell your ebooks on Gumroad in 2025. Whether you're new or experienced, this method will get your book out to readers fast. First, go to Gumroad and log in. You can sign in with Google or another option you prefer. Once you're in, click on Products and then New Product. Choose eBook to let Gumroad know it's a digital book. Next, give your ebook a clear, catchy title and set your price. A good title and the right pricing make a big difference in sales. Then add a description that tells readers what your ebook is about and why they should get it. Upload a high-quality cover and thumbnail to grab attention. Include any extra details that help your audience decide to buy. After that, upload your ebook file, make sure it's properly formatted, and click Publish. And that's it. Your ebook is now live on Gumroad and ready to reach readers everywhere.